So, good morning po. First vlog for the day. So, alam na natin yung SMART. Yung goal setting method na SMART. Yung specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound or timely. So, meron pala tayong fast and clear goal setting method. Okay. Tama rin pala kasi pag may goal ka, it should be fast, it should be clear, and it should be smart. Okay? So, yung fast, frequently discussed, ambitious, specific, and transparent. Well, sa lahat ng mga organization kung may goal, ito yung hindi nawawala. Yung unang-una yung letter F, yung frequently discussed. Kasi yung iba tend to go on their on respective ways or on the respective journeys. Di ba? Because people think they know, but the question is how deep. So, pag nawala yung letter F, mawawala na rin yung letter A, mawawala na rin yung letter S, at mawawala na rin yung letter T. Kasi pag nawala yung letter F, frequently discussed, hindi mo pwede sabihin transparent ka. Kasi kung frequently discuss yan, mapag-uusapan yan. So, pag napag-uusapan yan, mas transparent ka. And doon na pag-uusapan yung pagiging specific at yung pagiging ambitious ng isang goal. Kasi, merong iba, ambitious ang tingin, pero they don't know the specifics and hindi sila transparent. Okay? Yung clear. So, ano naman tong clear goal setting method? So, ito ay collaborative, limited, emotional, appreciable, and refinable. So, self-explanatory. Collaborative, ibig sabihin, kailangan may kasama ka. Limited lang, so ibig sabihin hindi kayo crowded kasi yung Brooks Law na tinatawag, pag nagdagdag ka, lalong magulo. So, syempre, dapat may passion ka, you put emotions into it. Na-appreciate ng mga kasama mo at na-appreciate mo. And refinable. Ibig sabihin, nakakapag-adapt. They can refine themselves to the calling of the times. Kung kailangan nilang mag-adjust, nandun na yon. So, mabutit na pag-aaralan natin to. First vlog natin ngayong May 7. So, napakaswerte. Well, reminder sa atin to. Because masurto ako at meron akong mga kilala na willing makipag-collaborate sa atin. No? At tayo ay natututo pa dahil sa kanila. So, yun lang po.